Hey kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. We're going to look at a couple of things today. We're looking at short vowel sounds that have an ending digraph. A digraph is when you have two letters put together that make a new sound. You will see the SS on the end, and you are just going to hear the S sound there, so it doesn't completely follow the rule, but we're going to look at the other endings and see what sounds those make as well. So let's go ahead and read our words. We have cash, class, kiss, with, such, rush, guess, wash. Then we have rich, path, math, toss, cloth, bathe, fresh, brush. And then we have moth, boss, much, wish, miss, pass, grass, and push. So we're going to look at our ending sounds now. So up here where we have cash, you see that the SH, when you put an S and an H together, they don't make the S sound, they make the sh sound. So you're going to look for words that have the sh sound spelled with the SH. Then we have the ending here, CH. We have the ch sound. When you have C and H together, we know it makes the ch sound instead of the k sound. They don't make their separate sounds together. Then we have moth. TH together makes the th sound or the sound. And then you have the ending SS like we talked about. Two S's together, you are just still going to hear that S sound. So you're going to read through your words and you're going to sort them by the ending digraph for each word. Remember, you're listening for the sh, the ch, the or th, and the s sounds at the end of your words. All right, kiddos, happy sorting.